Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the rear brake discs and brake pads on Hyundai iX35. Here the rear brakes, I'm going to be replacing the brake disc and the brake pads. First, to remove the brake disc, first we need to remove the brake caliper, which is held by two bolts on the rear. These are the two bolts. Then we're going to remove the brake caliper support, and then we're going to remove the brake disc. And the brake disc is held by two screws, one on top and one on the bottom. First we'll start by removing the two bolts holding the brake caliper and remove the brake caliper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next I'm going to remove the two brake pads. I'm going to use a screwdriver just to pry them out. Next I'm going to remove the brake caliper support. The support is held by two bolts. Those two bolts we need to remove. And now we need to remove the brake disc. To remove the brake disc, there are two screws that need to be removed. Once I remove the two screws, then I can take out the brake disc, but sometimes the disc is stuck, so you might want to hammer it a little bit so that it separates from the wheel hub. Sometimes you need to hammer it a little bit, sometimes you need to hammer it a little bit more, but it will come out eventually. Here you can see the brake disc is already moving, so I'm going to take it out. I'm just going to pull it out. Sometimes the brake disc might be stuck and might not want to come out, so then you need to release the brake shoes on the rear. The mechanism is on the bottom of the brake shoes. It's right there. You need to turn it with a screwdriver through the hole in the brake disc. This is the mechanism. You need to turn it, and in order to turn it you need a screwdriver, and you're going to remove this rubber cover and you're going to turn it through that. Next we're going to replace the brake disc. This is the part number for it, and this is the new brake disc. Next we're going to put on the two screws and tighten them. Next we're going to put on the brake caliper support and tighten the bolts. Next I'm going to be using my brake cylinder compression tool to compress the brake cylinder in all the way. And now I'm going to put on the new brake pads and put the brake caliper on. Now that the brake pads are on, before I put on the brake caliper, first I'm going to take out the sliders to see if they're greased up. If they're not greased, I'm going to grease them a little bit with special grease for brakes. The first slider is already greased. This is the special grease that I'm using, high temperature grease. Now I'm going to take out the other slider and grease it up as well. When you put on the brake pads, make sure they're moving in their place, they're not stuck. And now we can put on the brake caliper and put on the two bolts and tighten them. Once the bolts are tightened, then we're done with replacing the brake pads and the brake disc on the left side. Then the procedure is the same for the other side. After you finished replacing the brakes, don't forget to press the brake pedal for a couple of times so that the brake cylinder returns to normal position. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.